I've got the OnePlus 13 and I'll be showing you how to rearrange apps in the app drawer. So by default, the apps are organized in alphabetical order, but if you want to, you can rearrange this by tapping on Manage in the upper right corner, then tap on Sort. Now, if you want to, you can rearrange by usage. And that's going to rearrange the apps and put the apps you use the most at the top of the list. And also, if you go back to that menu, you can arrange by install time. So the latest apps that you installed will always be at the top of the list going down. So that's basically the three ways you can rearrange. Now, if you have any of this and you want to rearrange by name, which will arrange them in alphabetical order, and that's the default, then you can just select that. So that's basically how to rearrange apps in the app drawer of your OnePlus 13. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.